Primepack Technologies Incorporated's manufacturing process starts with the conceptualization of a tray and mold design using state-of-the-art design software. Our industrial designers generate a customized tray design tailor-fitted to our customers' requirements. Included in this initial process is the preparation of raw materials, aluminum blocks and sheets in a wide range of sizes. Cutting the needed materials is finished quickly and efficiently with our in-house aluminum cutting machine, capable of cutting a maximum thickness of 200 mm in just minutes. Our facilities also include 3 CNC machining 3-axis machines that are capable of fabricating up to 1.5 by 0.8 by 0.7 meters. After fabrication, each tray and mold is polished and drilled with its corresponding vent holes. This work is done faster offline and with the use of specialized tools. Our dedicated sandblasting machine is capable of processing a 1 by 1 by 0.5 meter workpiece. We use Japanese standard blades for our in-house die-cut fabrication. Rejected tray and webbings from the manufacturing are called scrap and are gathered to be processed for storage. Rejected scrap material from thermoforming is loaded into a grinder. Scrap extrusion rejects, such as plastic rolls, are fed to an auto feeder that transports the sheets to the grinding machine feeder. This turns all scrap material into regrind material. When our storage jumbo bags are full with regrind material, the bags are weighed, properly labeled for traceability, and stored safely in our warehouse. The extrusion process starts with a mix based on a formulation and schedule. Raw material is loaded into a mixing machine called a hopper mixer. The hopper mixer properly mixes all raw material that includes regrind material called scrap and resin material called virgin. The temperature and screw speed is set per barrel or zone, such as the feeding zone, compression zone, and metering zone. Melted material from the extrusion process flows into the tooling die where its thickness and width are adjusted. The calendar roller serves as a plastic sheet mold that forms and cools down flat plastic sheets from the melted material. To minimize rejects from the plastic sheet side trimmings, the sheets undergo an inline grinding process. This process is also part of the finished product as the inline regrind is automatically loaded into the mixing machine through the use of a vacuum suction during its continuous run. The coating process is an additional process that uses staticide as a coating material. After coating, the sheets undergo oven drying to set the coating solution. This additional process improves the clarity of the produced sheet. To form the plastic sheet into rolls, the sheets are run through the winding section. As part of an additional process, the plastic sheets are cut into specific lengths using the cutting machine. The produced sheet is flattened specifically for APET material. The extrusion process runs a quality check with different inspection and dimensional tools. We use the Shore Durometer D Digital for our hardness test, our Haze meter to check clarity, the ProStat 812 for surface resistivity, and our micrometer for measuring thickness. After quality check, all finished goods undergo packing and labeling ready for storage. Thermoforming starts with material issuance, where production requests a transfer of needed material from the warehouse per scheduled run. After confirming the material issuance, the operator uses a forklift to get the material roll needed and endorses this material to the thermal operator. The thermoforming process molds a plastic sheet into a tray. The first step in the process is to set up the mold, plug, and knife. Afterwards, the correct parameters are inputted into the standard machine. The second step in the thermoforming process is loading the material into the material feeding area. Here, the plastic sheet undergoes a heater in preparation for the molding process. The forming process molds the plastic sheet into a tray based on the mold design. The punching process cuts the WIP trays from the thermoforming process into FG trays. After the entire process, all products are inspected and then checked for quality. This is the final check before packaging. OGI, or outgoing inspection, is a full inspection of the product after inline inspection to assure that no rejects or defects are present in the product, specifically critical items, before delivery. Our finished, top-quality products are properly labeled and securely packed, ready to be delivered to our customers. Primepack Technologies Incorporated. We design breakthroughs.